subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The OnePlus 5, which was unveiled in the month of June last year, bought a dual camera. Then OnePlus 5T in the month of November, which was moved to an 18:9 ratio screen. So what will the OnePlus 6 be like? If these photos are to be believed, it will be part iPhone X, part Galaxy S9 Plus. According to the image, the front shows a no touch in the screen, big enough to hold the earpiece and selfie camera. Note the Android version 8.1 and OxygenOS 5.1. They are ahead of what's currently available for the OnePlus 5T. The back of the device has a different story, a vertical oriented dual camera with rectangular fingerprint reader below it. When OnePlus moved the fingerprint reader to the back, it switched from a rectangular home key to a rounded sensor. The 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage are pretty standard, have been since the OnePlus 3, so no surprise there. The device has been well less than a year since the OnePlus 5 was unveiled. Officially, the OnePlus 6 will be unveiled in the month of June, so we shouldn't put too much stock in early rumors. For all we know, this might be a prototype that never make it to production, assuming it's a legitimate device in the first place. So what are your thoughts about this OnePlus 6? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechSole blog for more tech updates. Thank you.